If you have a damaged screen and want to replace it yourself but don't know how, I can show you how to do it. This is an iPhone 11. As you can see, the screen is damaged, so we're going to replace it. This is the screw bit that we'll be using. Beside the charging port, you'll see two screws. You have to unscrew them first. This is the screen separator tool. This will help in splitting the screen from the back of the phone. You can also use a suction tool if you don't have this. If you don't have either of these two, it will be hard to separate the screen. You have to make sure that the phone is tightly locked in. It basically holds the phone tight so that if the suction cup pulls the screen away, the back part of the phone stays in place and doesn't follow the screen. Once your phone is locked in place, make sure your suction cup touches your phone screen. You can adjust as needed. Once the suction cup hits the screen, lock it in. Then you can now keep turning the knob to raise the suction cup. The way it works is that the suction cup is holding onto the screen while the back of the phone is locked in. So when you're turning the knob to raise the suction cup, the screen is going up with it, successfully separating the screen from the rest of the phone. Just keep turning the knob until it eventually separates the screen. When opening the screen, don't just yank it up or you'll risk damaging the ports. Here you can see a plate cover. You have to unscrew all 5 screws to reveal the ports. Make sure to not lose the screws, they're quite tiny and hard to find if you lose them. When you successfully remove the plate cover, carefully detach the cables. There's a total of 3 cables. Now that you've removed the damaged screen, it is time to attach the new one. Basically, we're doing everything we've done backwards. So, attach the cables. Before putting the plate cover back, you can check first if the screen is working. This is to prevent doing everything all over again in case you've screwed everything in and then it doesn't work. After you determine that it works, put the plate cover back. Don't forget the screws. Make sure everything is perfectly snug for aesthetic purposes. Then finally, the 2 finishing touches. And voila! You're done! Thank you, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, the comment section is just below. Have a good day!